You can see on the screen 6.8 USDT is successfully received in my wallet. This type can withdraw your commissions. In this video, I will discuss about a new USDT earning site. So in this site, you can earn lots of dollar by the investment and cloud the mining. So first of all, click on the registration. Then after you will see the website link. Now click on link and you will see this time interface. In this page, you can sign up your account. So first of all, enter your email, then enter password, then enter confirm password, enter payment password, enter my invite code, then click on the registration now. Okay, after sign up, you're going to see this type interface. In this page, you can see the latest announcement of the website and you can see all the details about the company. So you can see in the first VIP, if you recharge with the 20 USDT, you can daily withdraw 15.33%. It means you can withdraw daily 3 USDT commission. It means in this side you can daily withdraw approximately 16% daily commission. So now click on the close. Then you can see many options like recharge, withdrawals, help, team, events, introduction, telegram, app download. So now I will tell you how to can deposit in this website. So now click on the recharge. Then guys, log in your account. Okay, so you can see now click on the recharge. Then you can see there is your address. So guys, now copy this address, then open your wallet. Now paste your address, then click on send. So guys, recharge with the according budget. Okay, after transfer money, click on the confirm submit, then your amount will be added in the website. So you can see on the scheme recharge already completed. So now click on the team invest quantification. Okay, so guys, in this you can see all the quantification details. So guys, now come back on the first level. Okay, so you can see now click on the click to start quantification. You can see my quantification successfully started and you will be at commission. So guys, one by one complete your quantification, then you will get commission. So now click on the again quantification and you can see my quantification is completed. Now I will tell you how to come withdrawal commission. Now click on the home, then click on the withdrawals. So you can see at this time 6.8 USDT for the withdrawals. Okay, so for first of all, click on the select withdrawal method, then guys click on the add wallet address. So now click on the address. So now enter your address, then enter transaction password. You can see my address is winded. Now come back on the withdrawal page and you can see at this time 6.8 USDT for the withdrawal. So now enter your amount, then enter payment password. You can see on the screen I filled my details. Now click on the confirm and you can see on the screen my application is successfully submitted. After receive in my wallet, I will show my proof. You can see on the screen 6.8 USDT is successfully received in my wallet. This type can withdraw the commission. Now I will tell you how to can invite. Now come back on the here, then guys click on the team. So in the team section you can see in the first level you will get 10% commissions, and in the level 2 you will get 3% commissions, and in the level C you will get 1% commissions. Okay, so guys, I completed explain about this website. So guys, if you want to sign up, here comes the link and you can earn lots of USDT in this site. So you'll find